Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we will learn how to log LinkedIn leads in Zoho CRM and send product demo emails. So here my objective is that whenever someone applies through my LinkedIn lead ads, a new contact will automatically be created in Zoho CRM and an instant product demo mail will be sent to the user's Gmail account. So to do this, I will integrate my LinkedIn to Zoho CRM and Gmail using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this right here is the automation that we are going to create in this video. Here I have integrated my LinkedIn to Zoho CRM and Gmail. With the help of this, whenever someone applies through my LinkedIn ads, a new contact is instantly created in my Zoho CRM and a product recommendation mail is automatically sent to each of my users' Gmail account. No coding, no complex setup. Everything happens seamlessly with Pabbly Connect. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial, let me give you a quick overview of how this automation will work in real time. So let's get started. As you can see that I have already created a LinkedIn leads ads in my campaign manager. Now I am simply going to open this ad. See, this is the ad. Here I want to apply on this ad. So I am clicking on this apply now option. See, it is asking me for my email address and phone numbers. So I am adding one test email address and a contact number in both of these fields, as I created this lead form in the default setup. So the first name, last name and company name is automatically coming by the name of Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service and the company name as Magnet Brains. But when you create this, you have to enter these data manually. After that, I am clicking on the submit button. See, here it is showing that information sent to Pabbly. Now we will check our Zoho CRM that a new contact will created or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, automatically a new contact is created into my Zoho CRM, which includes the details that I have shared while filling the form. That is the default full name as Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service, email address that I have entered on that field and the mobile number. Now we will also check our Gmail account that we have received the product recommendation mail or not. Here I am refreshing this. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes all the details regarding the product and the default name that are automatically present into my form by the name of Subscription Billing Management Service, includes all the details. I entered this email content as test example. You can make the changes in it completely based on your choice. So if you also want to create this automation that whenever any new apply can become through your LinkedIn leads, then automatically one new contact will be created into your Zoho CRM and instant one product recommendation mail will send to each of your users Gmail account, which includes their specific provided name. Then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any single line of code. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right here is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description below. You can check out. Now we will return to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In this page on the right hand side, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I will click on the sign in option. So these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are doing the integration between the application, and that will be only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. Here you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. And in this folder section you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to enter the folder name here and also select the parent folder from here. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. When I click on it, it will ask me to select the workflow builder while providing me two types of workflow builder, name as new beta and the classic version. It is a modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Then it will ask me to enter workflow name. So here I am entering the workflow name as log LinkedIn leads in Zoho CRM and send product demo emails, and the folder I select as Pabbly Connect. After that I am clicking on this create button. See, our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger is the first application that you have to select for doing the automation. Trigger says when this happen, as whenever any new apply can be come through my LinkedIn leads, then automatically one new contact will be created into my Zoho CRM and one product recommendation mail will be sent to each of my users Gmail account. For that I am going to take my trigger application as LinkedIn. So I am simply clicking on this plus option and searching the app as LinkedIn. See, here I selected. After that the app event I select as lead notification. Then I am going to click on this connect button. See, it will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you can click on the select existing connection. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection. After that I am clicking on this connect with LinkedIn button. See, my LinkedIn account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Here I am going to select the sponsored account as Pabbly's ads account, as I am using this account. See, Pabbly's ad account. When you scroll down, you can see one toggle. This is the simple response toggle. With the help of this toggle, you can get the response in the simple format. If you don't enable this toggle, then you receive the response in the advanced format. Next, I am going to click on the save and send test request button. See, it is waiting for a webhook response. Now, for getting this webhook response, I am again applying on this LinkedIn leads ads by clicking on this apply now button, where I am going to enter the test details in both of these fields. Here the first name, last name and the company name will automatically add it because this is the default lead form. After that I am clicking on the submit button. See, it is submitted. Now we will check that we have received a new response or not. You have to wait for a few seconds. See, I have received a new response which includes all the details that I have shared while applying on the form and the default first name, last name. This means that my LinkedIn account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Here the setup of my trigger application is done. After that I am going to select my action application as Zoho CRM, because whenever a new applies come through my LinkedIn leads ads, then automatically I want to create a new contact into my Zoho CRM. For that I am clicking on this plus option. Here I am searching the app as Zoho CRM. Here I selected. After that the app event I select as create contact and I am clicking on this connect button. See, it will again provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection. After that I am clicking on this connect with Zoho CRM button. Then you can see it will ask me to enter the domain. So now I am going to show you my domain. So here my domain is zoho.com. So I am simply copying this domain from here and pasting here. After that I am clicking on the save button. See, it will ask me for my permission, so I am accepting it by clicking on this accept option. See, my Zoho CRM account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, in some of these fields I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is LinkedIn. For that I am simply clicking on this and selecting the first name from here as Pabbly. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. After that, in this last name field, I am going to map the last name as subscription billing management service. As I previously said that I submitted the default details, that's why I have mapped these here. Next, in this email field, I am going to map the email. Then this titles and departments is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank. After that, in this mobile field, I am going to map the mobile number. Here I am doing this as a test example to teach you how you can do the mapping. But when you do this, you can make the changes in it completely based on your choice. You can also add more fields. After that, these also are not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly clicking on the save and send test request button. See, we have received the positive response. Now I am going to check my Zoho CRM account that a new contact is created or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, automatically a new contact is created into my Zoho CRM, which includes the details that I have mapped on each field. That is, the first name is Pabbly, last name is subscription billing management, email address and the mobile number. This means that my action step, that is Zoho CRM, is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect and it is working properly. Now the setup of this step is also done. Now I am going to select my next action step as Gmail because I want to send product recommendation mail to each of my users' Gmail account. For that, I am clicking on this plus option and searching the app as Gmail. Here I selected. Then the app event I select as send email. After that, I am clicking on this connect button. See, it will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection. After that, you have to click on this sign in with Google. As I have already an existing connection, so I am simply clicking on the select existing connection. After that, I am clicking on the save button. See, my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, I am going to write the sender name as Pabbly team. Then in this field, as soon as you can connect your Gmail account to your Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address in this field. After that, in this recipient email address, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is the email address of my user. Here I mapped. Then in the next, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the email subject in this email subject field. As thanks for checking out Pabbly automation, after that I am going to enter the email content in this field. Here I entered. After this, I want my username. For that, I am simply clicking on here and selecting the response from this LinkedIn leads notification. That is, the first name is Pabbly and the last name is subscription billing management. Here I map the name. With the help of this mapping, automatically my username will come after this hi. Next, you have to select the email content type that I am going to select as HTML. As I created this email content in the HTML format, you can also generate your HTML email content by clicking on this here below. HTML email link is also there. You can check out by clicking on this. After that, the labels I select as inbox, and if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file name in this field and also attach the URL here. After that, you have to simply click on the save and send test request button. See, we have received the positive response. Now I am going to check my Gmail account that I have received a new mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes all the details that I have entered into the email content field. Also the name that I have mapped after the hi as Pabbly subscription billing management service. This will only possible with the help of this mapping that I have done here. With the help of this, whenever your user will apply on your LinkedIn leads ads, then automatically customized mail will be sent to each of your users Gmail account, which includes their name. This will only possible with the help of mapping. Here I created this as a test example. You can make the changes in it. As we have received the mail, this means that our automation is working perfectly. Now the creation of our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check out. This will save your time and enhance your business. And the best part is this automation is complete without requiring any single line of code. This will only made possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.